Broadbent here, violinist and instructor at Online Violin Education, where I train violinists all over the world how to improve their technical skill sets for more melodic playing. I am really excited to be inviting you to Vibrato 5-day challenge. I specifically picked a little bit of this excerpt from one of my compositions to demonstrate vibrato in upper positions and on the G string, so you can see how it can really spice up a performance. I'll leave a link for you to register below and also at the eye in the upper right hand corner. If you are a newbie wanting to come in and kind of explore getting into vibrato, this is for you. If you are more of an intermediate player but want to kind of loosen up and get a little free with your vibrato, this is for you. If you are an advanced player that wants to develop a second vibrato and have exercises in order to do so, then this is for you. So be sure to register below. I leave a link below, and I will see you then. Happy magical practices. Ciao!